In this Adobe Illustrator tutorial, we will learn how to create a neon text effect using gradient mesh, 3D modeling, art brushes, and transparency palette. Let's begin. Open Adobe Illustrator. Here, I have used the Adobe Illustrator CC. You can use it, or another like Adobe Illustrator CS6. Open a new document by File, New. Under the New Document window, select Web, and select Common Template. Select Width 1000, Height 1000, Color Mode RGB Color, and from drop-down, select Pixels, and click Create button. A new window is appear. None the stroke color, and change the fill color as black. Take the rectangle tool, and create a rectangle with black fill. Keep the rectangle selected. Go to Object, Create, Gradient Mesh. In the dialog window, set the number of rows and columns equal 3. Select central nodes of the gradient mesh using the Direct Selection tool. Move the nodes like as wave, and fill them with different colors. Take the Type tool, and create a text. In my case, this word is neon. I use the Myrad Pro bold font. You can change the height and width of text using the Selection tool. Fill the text color as white. Keep the text selected. Go to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel, and set effect parameters, like as X-axis 0 degree, Y-axis 32 degree, Z-axis 0 degree, and perspective 72 degree. Check the preview, then you can see the live change of the text. Extrude depth 163 points, and it can be changed, depends on your text. Now, click OK. After having applied the effect, if you need to edit the parameters, then you can access them from the menu of the Appearance palette. Go to Appearance palette, and Invisible, the 3D, Extrude and Bevel layer. Select Rectangle tool, Ellipse tool. Draw an ellipse, like this. Fill the ellipse as a gray color. Fixed it, height 2 pixels, width 500 pixels. Copy this ellipse, and fixed it, height 3 pixels. Open the Brushes palette, and save it as a art brush. For the first brush, I have selected name Art Brush 1. For the second brush, I have selected name Art Brush 2. Change the font color to dark gray, almost black, and visible the 3D Extrude and Bevel layer. Select Pen tool, and select Stroke color as gray. Zoom in your work window. Using the pen tool, create dashes on the 3D text edge, like this. Select the text, and apply the first created brush to the dashes. Now, take the second brush, and take the paintbrush tool, and continue to outline the letters of the template. If you did not do well with brush stroke, you can undo the last action by pressing the keyboard combination of Ctrl or Ctrl+Z, or the edit line shape, with the help of the direct selection tool. Take the pen tool, and outline the front surfaces of the letters. Select foreground color to light gray, and apply this on the latter surface. Same process you need to apply for each front surfaces of the letters. Go to Appearance palette. Now, click the text layer template, and delete it. Select all the elements created by us, except for the background. From the Transparency palette, set the Color Dodge blending mode for them. Now, you can see the neon effect has been applied to the text. There is a little bit work is need to be applied for the beautification of the text. Take the ellipse tool and create a circle. Fill it with radial gradient from white to black color. Now, from the Transparency palette, set the Color Dodge blending mode for this shape. Place such items in different places on the text letter. Now, create a few similar elements, but, after filling with radial gradient, bring the circle to the shape of an ellipse, using the selection tool. Locate the elliptical elements in different places on the text letter. Congratulations, you have done to create a neon text effect. You can save it as a image format